I'm gonna show you how to fix this nasty front bumper grille damage.
The idea is simple: to cut a squarish parts in the crack and 3D print those, weld them with a plastic welder, and make these parts from these more complicated angles. Also with 3D printing. I did cut one part here so I can get the shape model it. I'm gonna cut this part here also and show you. Cracks like this, you want to plastic weld. I'm gonna use a cordless soldering iron to first touch it up so it won't move from the when I'm welding with the welder. It is a neat trick to use always. We're gonna further sand that and fix. Let's continue with the major problem. This is what we got. You want to sand the edges to get the straight line as much as you can. Now get your caliper, get dimensions. Now you want to 3D print this part, and this part.
This is the piece which I cut from that angled part. I'm gonna take the picture of it, draw it in the Fusion, extrude and print it. Hopefully it's gonna fit perfectly. Sketch is done and this part needs to be 56 mils long, so let's extrude it and 3D print it.
This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna arrange all the parts and try to position them as best I can. I'm gonna use the super glue on the few spots just to secure the parts to not move when I weld them from other side. It's gonna save me a lot of time. So let's do with all other parts. Again, I'm gonna use super glue just on few spots to secure them. Of course, you want to prepare parts to fit the best possible before trying to install them. Already looks better. You can see I did fixed this bottom part. These two aren't glued or welded still because in these situations it is better to apply the filler first on this bottom part and then after sanding add this part and this part, because it's gonna be hard to blend everything here with this part or already installed. An important part here is that I 3D printed this first insert 0.5 millimeters thinner. So when I plastic welded it here, I did put it a little bit below, so when I use a filler on top, I have a lot of space to level this part up to look beautiful from the front side. After gluing and plastic welding, I did use two components filler and I did sand it. It is already relatively smooth. I'm gonna do a bit of more work after that. Now I'm gonna add other two parts and also use two component filler over them. A lot of sanding is needed, so it is a bit dusty work. The last two pieces are added. I just super glued them at this point, and this is how everything looks. It's gonna be superb. This is a quite important step. You want to take a soldering iron and you want to blend edges with it before you use a filler. We had a high spot here, but with little bit of blending it's gonna be a lot easier for later work. Here you don't need to do that because this part is a little bit thinner, so I on purpose left it a little bit lower, so when I fill in I'm gonna get a smoother surface a lot easier. At this point we need a lot of sanding, so we can start with 80 grit. At some point you get something like this.
it looks relatively good, not perfect, but I am more than happy. You want to use a primer like this, and you're gonna get finish like this. I made a mistake here. I didn't fill inner part properly, so there is a visible defect. I'm gonna try and fix that now, but you can avoid it with filling it properly before you use primer. After some 80 grit sanding, I did drop a few drops of super glue to hopefully fill those gaps, and after that I'm gonna use a filler again. This is end result. You now wait for filler to dry, and after that you can wash everything and paint it in black. I need to say it is not 100% perfect, but it looks quite nice. I'm super happy with result. I did use bumper spray paint, and it has this texture. It is not 100% Audi color, but I really like it and I wanted it to be like this. We're gonna prepare our chrome parts, and voila, this is the end result. The trim is polished, installation is done, the grill is looking really nice. Is it perfect? It is not, but it is more than good enough, considering that this part is really expensive, and I'm more than happy with final result. I hope you enjoyed. Consider subscribing. See ya.